The function hall is one important activity for a marriage function. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Sir.
Okay. So booking function hall is one heading. Under booking function hall, there will be small few activities. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Arranging for the food, snacks, breakfast, lunch, brunch, whatever, depending on the duration we spend there. Arrangement, flower decoration. There are 5-6 parts within function hall. So we write on the heading function hall. In the bottom we write flower decoration, chairs arrangement, water arrangement, cool drinks arrangement, Gana bajana, disco, whatever it is. Okay, singer, arrangement of a singer there, maybe arrangement of lunchroom, maybe special decoration there, or special salad preparation, something like that. All activities divided. Okay, that we call it as hierarchical. That means there is a major heading under that divided works. Under divided works, again small, micro, nano level, finer works. Okay. After this slide, you will see the structure. There you will understand very easily. See this? What is all about this slide? What is it talking about? Party. Make party invitations. Just like marriage party. Okay. One of the subheading is make invitations. That is inviting people, friends and relatives. Correct now? See the hierarchy? Make invitation is the heading. Under the major heading, small headings are 3 small headings. Designing is done by some designer office. Printing is done by printer. Sometimes these both are same. Sometimes. Third one is
Mail invitation.
Here, what is the meaning of mail invitations?
Emailing, digital format.
Only mail. Mail means only emailing.
No, sir. Posting also.
Yes, very good. So Anurag has to invite all his friends and family for his marriage, no? He has to invite me also. He will definitely come with his father to my house. Sir, my marriage, take this card. Personal invitation, by post, by courier, by WhatsApp, by Facebook. Correct now?
Yes, sir.
All that comes under mail invitations. See under subdivision of design. What is under subdivision of design?
Layout contents. Select
design.
graphic.
What to design? Correct now?
Yes, sir. How to design.
You plan to invite through several means of invitation. What all designs you can do? What choice you have got? How you can make invitations innovatively? Nowadays people use innovative ideas for invitation.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Yes, sir. Ambani's daughter's marriage invitation is like a box in which a TV will be there and all the family will be welcoming them.
You also plan the same way. I want another TV at my home.
TV. Okay.
Okay. Just joking. Okay. So you can make a nice video and send as invitation. Correct now? Short film.
Yes, sir.
Correct now? You both can act also, wife and husband. Would be can act as wife and husband and release a short film or a small nice audio visual, or a nice print card, or nice fully colored 3D through WhatsApp, through Facebook, by mail. Correct no? Other countries you cannot go personally. Even though your uncle is there in America, Australia, you cannot go to give wedding card. What you will prefer? You prefer calling. Correct no? Right. So coming to our topic. What it says? Designing should be done. Layout either for the film or audio visual, both are same. Or a card, okay, or a nice color design to forward in WhatsApp, whatever it is. So these are the main functions, subheadings, and micro nano headings. This is called work background structure. Okay. Now I request all of you to do one small exercise. Take pen and paper. Take pen and paper. Everyone put on your videos for 3 minutes. Videos for 3 minutes. quickly put on your video for 3 minutes. Take a pen and paper. Please take a pen and paper. No exam, no exam. Don't be afraid. No exam. Okay, right. Note down the heading. Construction of, note down. I'll give a topic. You have to make work breakdown structure of Kaleshwaram project. Okay. Should we do work breakdown structure for the largest project under construction in the country? What is that? What is that? Largest project, major irrigation, Kaleshwaram. Okay. So Kaleshwaram project is the major heading. Now you please divide as per hierarchy. First level of hierarchy. I will do parallelly with you. Don't worry. I also will do in parallel with you. Right? Whiteboard is visible.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Switch. Okay. If this is the major heading, now what to do? We need to make like this, correct now?
Breakdown.
Breakdown. First breakdown would be, now I'll ask you, what are the first level breakdowns? 1, 2, 3, 4, something like this. Okay.
Designing.
Construction. One of the subheading we have chosen.
Construction.
Kaleshwaram project construction. If you take Kaleshwaram project, then yes, designing, planning, budgeting, then tendering, award of the contract to the contractor like Mega Engineering Infrastructure. Then they will hire subcontractors like L&T, many of the pump suppliers from Europe, lot of works. Now in construction, a land survey would be the first activity, correct? But now I have taken only one of the subheading, that is construction work. Under construction, yeah, 310, please. Yeah. 310, please speak.
No, nothing, sir. Nothing, sir.
Unmute and speak. Right? Please write at least five subheadings you can write, please. What kind of subheadings we can write? Construction means a lot of things will be there. Civil construction. Civil construction is one heading. Okay. Then what are the mechanical things in a civil project?
Pump.
Pump house. Correct, no?
Material.
Yeah, material procurement. You can mention.
Labor.
Pump house is one. Okay. Then civil is another one.
Material.
Make nice diagram because it is a whiteboard.
Material management.
Please
Material.
write. Yeah, material management, one heading.
Equipments.
Equipment. Yes, please.
Manpower.
Manpower is not work. You have to write only work. This is work breakdown structure. Only you have to write work component.
Labor. Yes, sir.
What labor do you can write. Don't write labor. You write, say cementing, no, mason work, or laying the foundation. Okay. Like this. Wonderful. All are participating. Very good. Don't write hydropower engineers. You write installation of turbine. We are talking about work breakdown structure, not organization structure. Be very clear about it. This is not organization structure. We will not write engineer, supervisor, labor. No, we will write engineering, managing, fabricating, laying, concreting, pouring, fixing, welding. Getting me? There is a verb. Okay?
Sir, in construction, these many enough, sir.
Sorry?
In construction, these are enough, sir. 6 to 7 points. Sub.
Just write only 5 points, more than enough.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Please remember, there should be one verb in each subheading or micro heading or nano heading. Civil work, I have mentioned a verb, work. For pump house, I did not mention the work. You need to write procurement of pump, installation of pump, connecting pipes to the pump, like that. Okay? Electrical work, insulation work, penstock work for the turbine, something like that. Okay? In the work breakdown structure, what is important? Hierarchy is important. Top level to bottom level, work. Main heading, subheading, finer details in the bottom. So now let me put further. Okay? Say pump house. In the pump house, what are the works? Your mechanical engineers you can convey easily. What are the
Connecting
different
pipes.
works in pump house?
Connecting pipes.
Very good. In pump house, lot of works like
Insulation
pipeline
work.
connection is one work.
Pipeline construction.
Installing pump is another work. Testing is another work. Connecting to the motors another work. Electrical installation, electrical machinery control system another work. Something like that. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Quickly write. Everyone please write. Very nice. Everyone participating. Wonderful. Installation of accessories. Vishwanath, very good.
Penstock
Correction of pump.
installation.
Wonderful.
Penstock installation.
Penstock.
Yes, sir.
Penstock is for turbines. Okay. Fine, you can write. You can write all mega pumps and turbines. Fine. Please write. Write like that. Sometimes the structure is such a long structure, physically not possible on drawing sheet. Okay. Practically impossible to put on the drawing sheet. A3, A2, even bigger size. So engineers use computers. Okay. Computer can generate larger WBS. WB.
Yes.
Yes.
Work.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now the next exercise is very important. Please listen. The next exercise is whatever project you have chosen in the class, 4-member team, you make structure for your project. Okay? Is it okay? Is the instruction clear? Yes or no?
Okay, sir.
And make your work breakdown structure today itself and mail me by tomorrow. Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Simple structure, okay? Simple structure and mail me. Mail. Only one member need to mail out of 4 people. All need not send. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You decide yourself. Suppose if I don't receive from a particular batch, all 4 will get 0 for work breakdown structure. So you 4 people have to talk to yourself. I will not, listen your silly reasons, sir. Somebody not picked phone. My friend is not working. Team member. No, okay. You all understand? Please talk to your friends. Make it. Send me and get marks. Okay. And also learn. So I'm closing this whiteboard here. Let me continue the PPT. So far clear? At least CRs, please respond. It's like a blind class.
Yes, sir.
Without noise or disturbance, we can work. We can learn. This is self-explanatory. Read the 2 points quickly. Correct or not? Do you all agree with this?
Yes, sir. We will agree.
Very good. Should I go to next slide? You can type in chat box. As you have done, please type in the chat box. Good, good. I think we are able to manage our class nicely, without noise, without disturbance, and wonderful discussion. But I am not happy. Only 48 students are there. At least not half century. What is the reason? What is the reason students are less in number today? I have stopped the recording. Can somebody tell me? You can type in the chat box. Why strength is low? Such a training going on. DXC second phase. But I came to know only 15 people are there. 15, 1-5. I came to know only 15 people are there from each class. 15 plus 50, 30. Strength is 50. 80 only. We are actually 105. Anyway, let me move to the next slide. See this? Please go through these 4 points. The work breakdown structure is reorganization of the information in the scope. Then what is scope? You all, when you decided your project names, you all have written conducting a marriage party is the scope. Okay? Going to Goa in summer is the scope. Designing a new car with solar cells is the scope. When you say designing a new car with solar cells, the heading only. You have to subdivide. That we will do here. Okay? See the second point? We divide difficult tasks, works into smaller units. So that if it is Kaleshwaram project, chief engineer cannot supervise all the activities. He will divide into 20,000 activities. What he will do? He will recruit 20 managers Each manager 1000 activity. Again, manager will recruit 100 engineers. 1000 divided by 100, 10 activities. Each engineer 10 activity. Possible, no? Each engineer 10 activities possible for you. Possible for you? 10 activities you can take care as an engineer. Yes or no? You can type in chat box. Very good. So when an engineer is given 10 tasks by the manager and there are 100 managers, 100 into 10. 1000 activities are easily taken care. Like that, many general managers. That's how larger projects divide their work. Even a smaller project, taking an example of a project done by one of your classmates, anyone. What do? You form 2-3 people team, correct now? And 3 people will divide your work. Design, CAD, CATIA, 1 person. Field work. So recently I did a project, I'll tell you. Let me take the names also. Pramod went to the fields and collected information about new designing tractor radiator and farmer's requirement. Arvind designed in CATIA. Sai Sunay wrote the document. And Riyaj has prepared the line sketch. So 4 people divided their work. That is work breakdown structure only. Am I correct? All these 4 people are there in the class? Arvind?
Yes, sir. Sir.
Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. See the third one? It can be making some data, program, code. It can be getting a product made, or it can be doing some service. Service means construction, paving, labor work, assembling, cutting, welding, twisting, whatever it is. Okay? Or any combination, right? See the next point. The target is to achieve the objective. Suppose there are 10 engineers working, junior engineers working under your control. You are a mechanical engineer. I give you 10 diploma holders under your control. And I give you design of a solar car. What do? You divide the work breakdown and give smaller portion to each engineer. Correct now? That is how engineers should work. Then it will be easy. Each one has got objective. The topmost heading is like vision. Next level is called like mission. Next level is like objectives. So each engineer will be given one objective. Say one of the person in this class is head of the project, solar car. And he is given 10 diploma engineers. Each person is expertise in their own area. One fellow is very good in design. One fellow expertise in solar cell assembly, making this and that. One person integration. One person programming and coding. One person welding fabrication. Getting me? So each one is given different objectives so that all together work will be done nicely. This is called distribution of work. Okay. See the next one. This already we have gone through. Work packages are the lowest level items. Okay. Remember this line. The bottommost items are called work packages. Sometimes I see this question in part A of the mid exam. Dash are the lowest level items in the WPS. That's called work package. This is the right time. I will tell you one example. Whenever Telangana Assembly discusses about progress of the Kaleshwaram project, they use this word. Did you notice? Any one of you? No? They say Saraswati pump house is a work package given to somebody. It is happening. There is Maneru. I don't know whether Maneru is connected or not. Am I audible? Yes, 305. I didn't get actually. In chat box you mentioned no, sir. What for this no? 305. Hello? Are you there? 305, 18K. Okay, no problem.
Yes, sir.
I didn't get actually. No, no is for what?
You said the assembly. You have listened assembly, no, sir. No, I.
Oh, fine. So work packages are the lowest level. Bottommost items are called packages, small packages given to different subcontractors. Okay. Now let us see. Next slide. There are several rules to create WBS. Okay. Let us see one by one. Today we will learn the rules and close the class. Let me check the time. Note down each rule. Very, very important. WBS rule 1. Please note down. The content in italics. Please note down quickly. First rule is each WBS activity is derived from. Yeah, 384, please. Yes, please. Please tell me. 384. Raise your hand. Okay. WBS activity is derived explicitly from and traceable back to the scope. Little complex English, otherwise meaning is very simple. The simple meaning is whatever activity you divide must be relevant to the heading. That's all. Okay. Okay. Suppose you plan for a party to Goa, trip to Goa, and third day, breakfast in Delhi. If you write breakfast in Delhi, irrelevant, no? Correct, no? That is the meaning here. Whatever activities you write in the structure, all should be connected to the heading, to the project only. Okay? The traceability from scope. This is called traceability. Everything must be traceable. Should be linked. It should be relevant. Okay? See the second rule. I was telling you when we are drawing that diagram, line diagram, what is important? Each component must be written along with a verb, active verb. Without verb, it becomes meaningless. For example, if you write invitation, meaningless. Print invitation, make invitation, design invitation. Getting me? Are you following me? Hope so. So there should be a verb with each work. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Please read the last para. It is self-explanatory. Yes? Gone through? Understood? I'll go to the next slide. Is this interesting? All these slides? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Please note down the rules because I have seen this question in part B every time in the exam. Explain WBS 10 marks question. You have to write all this with example. Okay? That's why note down. Rule number 3. What is rule number 3? All students should be attached to the teacher. That is rule number 3. All students should be attached to a good teacher. That is rule number 3. What is there? You please see. The chained components of work together becomes a main heading. That's all. Okay. All the small components, the author of this textbook, Vijay Kanabar, Professor Vijay Kanabar, mentioned this way. All child components, small work components, packages together becomes a heading. Okay. Say we say there is one pump house. Okay, one package, but that is part of collision project only. So all child component works together becomes the top heading. That is the meaning. See rule number 4. Rule number 4 is whatever we write, the subheadings must make sense. That's all. It should be deliverable oriented. That means, as a manager, you may write. What do you write? For example, I'll tell one example. Okay. In the marriage party, you give one work to one of the friend. His job is to watch all the vehicles at the gate. Okay, to watch all the vehicles at the gate, entrance of the function hall. Is it a correct work allotment? Is it a correct work allotment?
No, sir.
What should be the correct work allotment if you have to really observe at the gate? What should we mention?
That work should be given to any security guard, sir.
It is okay. I'm not telling that. Even security guard, what duty exactly you should give? You should say watch. That's all. Only watching. Watch and check. Correct now? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Suppose some people come without invitation and they are making nuisance at the gate. Now, what is the duty of that watchman? Check. CHECK, check. So that means whenever you give a work, that should be deliverable oriented. Otherwise, if you say watch, what you will do? You will simply watch. Anybody coming? Watch. Somebody fallen down? Simply watch. He will not even live. Are you getting me? Any work you write must be deliverable. Clarity of work division. Okay. All of the components must produce a deliverable. That means whatever you write as a small package must be meaningful, must clearly tell the subordinate. By reading that, subordinate should understand what is expected from him or her. Okay. Suppose you write manage. What to manage? Manage the kitchen or manage the flower bouquet, manage the stage, manage the music, what to manage? Okay. See the next point. Rule number 5 is there is no time ordering. That means sequencing. We need not mention the breakdown structure as per sequence of the works, not necessary. The structure gives only works. When to do is a different subject. Okay, that is called scheduling. We have got 4 lectures on scheduling, network analysis, critical path method, and PERT. Do you understand CPM, critical path method? Have you learned CPM in any other subject? Manivannan, Rahul?
No, sir.
No? Okay. So we will learn here the scheduling part. Maybe you will be having the same content in POM, Production Operations Management also. But anyway, we have got about scheduling. In scheduling, we decide when to start, when to finish, what are the sequence. In case of work breakdown structure, we need not mention that after this, this is the work, this is the order, not necessary. This only gives a picture of things, that's all. Okay. Now let us see the next rule. Next rule is 4 plus or minus 2 rule. What is 4 plus or minus 2 rule? The rule is, this is derived very interestingly, okay, by psychologists. They say whenever you are dividing a heading, don't divide one heading into 50 headings. Don't do. Divide one heading into 4, 5. Then again divide each one into another 4, 5. Divide the next one into another 4, 5. Because at each level you will deploy one supervisor. Any supervisor, any human being is comfortable handling 4 to 6 things, not more than that. That's what psychologists found. Do you agree with this statement? Do you agree with this statement? That is the reason you will have 4 to 6 subjects in each semester. The reason is, suppose if I keep 40 subjects and I give you 4 years time. You read 4 years, 40 subjects, write all 40 subjects in the end. Will become difficult for you or not? That is also work breakdown structure. Okay? Somebody mentioned something in the chat box. Let me see. So please note down these 3 rules. Please note down. Read the first paragraph. You will understand easily. And note down the rule number 7. The 7th rule says progressively elaborated means don't jump to the finer component. Explain the major heading, divide 4 to 6 components, take each component again, divide 4, 5, like that, progressively. Depending on the quantum of the work under each subheading, we should carefully divide the work. Say, going back to the marriage example, you got 5 friends, close friends, and there's a birthday party at your home or marriage party. You want to divide all the marriage party into 5 different works. Don't divide equally. All will not be of same quantum of work. Correct, no? Maybe buying of gold is only 1 or 2 days activity, but on the day of function, several cooking, supervision is big activity. So you need to progressively divide the works uniformly, carefully, so that each person how much he can handle, that much you should divide. Okay? The meaning of rule number 6 and 7 together are divide each heading into few subheadings, not too many. That means for each supervisor you give limited tasks, 4 to 5 tasks or 5 to 6 tasks maximum, and subdivide, elaborate progressively. Okay? Read the second paragraph, you will understand. Maybe at the design stage, we will not go into deep. We will decide first what items required. Then we take each item, what is required. Take each subassembly, what is required. Each component, what spare part required. Each part, finer details. That is called progressive elaboration. See the last rule for today. With this, I'll close the class. Note down also. 8th rule is, what is 8th rule? Please read, and I want somebody to explain this point from this class. Read the 8th one and please explain. Then we'll close the class. Oh, wonderful. 56 students are there. Very good. What is the last one? Anyone? Can anyone explain the last one? Anyone in the class? Okay, I'll ask one by one. Yes, roll number 303. Who is 303?
Sir, me, sir, Arvind.
Arvind, can you try?
Sir,
Sir, which 303, sir?
Roll number 17K
303.
Whichever 303.
Sir, I am.
Welcome. Both are welcome. Both are welcome.
Sometimes
Hello,
when we design WPS, sir, we tend to give information which is not required also, because only the fact is that we know about the thing very much. So in that process, we sometimes give additional information which is not required.
Okay, nice, wonderful. I'll tell one example and close the class. Suppose,
Hello, sir.
yeah, yes,
Sir, 303.
yeah, please, yeah, you also can tell. You can put your words here.
There is.
Yeah, please.
Okay.
You can explain. You want to? No?
No, sir. I'll just listen. I did not understand.
No problem. No problem.
Hmm.
Okay. Rule number 8 says resist obvious details. There is a temptation for the managers to write more about what is there in their mind. It is like this. Suppose you ask somebody to explain about animals. Okay. You ask somebody, can you explain about animals? Right? Suppose if you ask this question to a shepherd who is rearing sheep, he will tempt to explain more about sheep. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Suppose a mechanical engineer is head of the project for Kaleshwaram project, for example, and we'll ask him to write WBS. His mind always tells him mechanical words. Correct, no? Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
He tempts to write more mechanical, forget civil or less civil. This should be avoided. Even though engineer may be from any branch, when he is heading something, he has to or she has to avoid the temptation of writing more about what we know. Okay, so that's all for today. Hope it is interesting. Today we learned about work breakdown structure. This is similar to, in principle, similar to the structure of a tree. Three roots like organization structure. In organization structure, we have people placed, but in case of work is placed. And we learned 8 rules. 8 rules are: don't divide too much, make fewer details, parent components on the top, children component at the bottom. Bottommost is called work package. Topmost is derived from the scope, and elaboration should be progressive. And what is the assignment for you? For your own project of this year, current semester, project management, whatever you decided, you 4 people, each team, make this structure and mail me. Make the structure, pen and paper in the notebook, and scan and mail me by tomorrow evening 6 p.m. Tomorrow evening 6 p.m. In fact, today itself you better do. Okay? Any questions on today's class? You are welcome to ask questions. There are more details in this paper, in this PPT. We will discuss in the next class. Okay? For website, what should be WPS? Website development level 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? What are the inputs, outputs, advantages? Okay? Any question you can ask me. Please ask if you have any questions. Is there any question in chat box? No? Yes, correct. Avoid details which are not required in the book, okay? In the WBS. I think class timing is increased.